wahala no come too much like this. How this small pikin go dey kiss inside movie? No be small thing, no. E don trigger a lot of reactions. Nigerians don dey chook their mouth on it. Say why this 10 actor go dey kiss? No be small pikin be this. Hey my people, how una dey? Is your girl Cindy? I don carry another ogbonge news come drop for una. Una know say for this channel, ogbonge news I dey carry undiluted as dem dey cook am, na so I dey carry am come. So Unigwe is a popular 10 actor, though there is a lot of controversy. Say the pikin no come small again. Say the girl don reach 18 years, but people still dey see am as small pikin. The recent connection between her and this actor showing on the screen come dey make Nigerians dey chook their eyes and mouth. Say this old papa dey date this small pikin. Why this old man go dey date this small pikin to the extent of them kissing on one scene in the movie they acted? Omo, no be small thing. But Unigwe need to come out to talk, say she no be small pikin again. Now only that time this whole saga go dey stop, because people still dey see her as small pikin. People still dey see her as 10 actor. What do you think? Do you think she is still a small pikin? Drop it in the comment section. See you guys in my next episode. Bye.